Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Angelina and Jack, the place where learning English is easy, fun, and full of real-life examples.
That's right. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Exactly. Today's topic is something super useful for daily life: how to talk on the phone in English.
Oh yes, whether you're calling a friend, your boss, or customer service, talking on the phone in English can feel scary sometimes.
I know, because you can't see the other person's face. No body language, no expressions, just the voice.
Right? But don't worry. Today we'll teach you step by step how to sound confident and polite when talking on the phone in English.
So, let's begin. Okay, Jack. Let's imagine I'm calling you. What's the first thing I should say when someone picks up?
Good question. The first thing is to greet the person. You can say something like, back-end index pointing right, hello, this is Angelina. Back-end index pointing right, or hi, I speak to Jack, please.
Perfect. So it's polite to say your name or ask for the person you want to talk to.
Exactly. And if you're the one who answers the call, you can say, hello, Jack speaking. Or, good morning, this is Jack. How can I help you?
That sounds very professional.
Yes. But if it's a casual call between friends, it can be simple like, hey, what's up? Or, how are you?
That's how I talk to my friends too. Hey, what's up?
Exactly. So the style depends on who you were talking to.
Okay, Jack. What if I call an office and I want to talk to someone named Mr. John? How should I ask politely?
You can say, may I speak to Mr. John, please? Or, could you please connect me to Mr. John?
Oh, that sounds polite and professional.
Exactly. Using may I or could you makes your request softer. Don't say, I want to talk to Mr. John. That sounds rude,
Yes. We don't want to sound like a boss on the phone.
right? And if the person isn't available, you can ask, when will he be available? Or can I leave a message?
Let's practice. I'll be the receptionist and you're the caller. Ready? Good morning, ABC Company. How can I help you?
Good morning. This is Jack from LearnPro. May I speak to Mr. John, please?
I'm sorry, Mr. John is not available right now. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, please. Could you tell him that I'll call back at 3 p.m.?
Sure. I'll let him know.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye. That was perfect. Very polite, very clear.
Thanks. That's how a real phone conversation should sound. Short, clear, and polite.
Now, what about friendly calls? Like when you call a friend. What do you usually say?
I usually start with, hey, how's it going? Or long time no see.
Oh, yes. Or, what have you been up to?
Exactly. And then you can continue with something casual like, I just wanted to check in. I was thinking about you. How's everything at work?
So, the key is to sound natural, not like a robot.
Right? You can also react during the call. Say things like, oh really? That's great. No way.
No way. That's one of my favorites.
Yeah, it shows you're listening and enjoying the conversation.
Okay, now let's talk about how to end a call politely.
Good point. If it's a formal call, you can say, thank you for your time. It was nice speaking with you. Have a great day.
And if it's a friend, you can say, all right, talk to you soon. Bye. Take care. Catch you later.
Catch you later. Sounds so friendly and fun.
Yes. And don't forget to say goodbye properly. Never just hang up suddenly.
Right? That's a big no-no. Always say goodbye clearly before ending the call.
Let's give our viewers some ready-to-use phrases for everyday phone calls.
Sure. Here are a few common situations. When you didn't understand, say, sorry, could you repeat that, please? I didn't catch that. Could you speak a little slower, please? When you want to put someone on hold, say, can you hold on a moment, please? Just a moment, I'll check that for you. When the line is bad, say, I think the line is breaking up. Can you hear me clearly? When leaving a message, say, please tell her that I called. Could you ask and call me back, please?
These are so useful, especially when the signal is bad. We've all been there.
True. Can you hear me? Hello? Hello. Classic moments.
Yes, that's the universal phone struggle.
All right, let's give our viewers a small challenge.
Yes. Imagine you're calling your doctor's office. You need to make an appointment. What could you say?
Think about it. You could start with, "Hello, this is your name. I'd like to make an appointment, please."
Perfect. And then they might ask, when would you like to come?
You can reply, "Next Monday morning, if possible."
Then finish with, thank you so much. See you then.
Simple, polite, and natural. That's the goal.
All right, everyone. Let's quickly review what we learned today.
How to start a call politely. How to ask for someone. How to leave a message. How to end a call politely. And lots of useful, everyday phrases.
Exactly. Remember, when you speak on the phone, use short, clear sentences and smile while you speak. Even if they can't see you, they can hear your smile.
That's a great tip. Your voice sounds warmer when you smile.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. Every call you make is practice.
Yes, confidence grows with practice. So, keep speaking English, one phone call at a time.
And before we go, here's our question of the day. What is the most difficult part for you when talking on the phone in English?
Tell us in the comments below. We love reading your answers.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English podcasts.
See you next time on Angelina and Jack.
Take care.